Karen?
I knew. It's so cold. It started snowing!
Can't tell, but it's literally pouring down. Sieves, Bo. Sieves. But apparently it's going to be beautiful for kayaking tomorrow, so looking forward to that. Can't wait to freeze my balls off. Alright, let's reread. I don't think it worked. We're currently in Milford Sound River. That's our guide over there, Jeff. The cat's mowing while I just chill in the back. Go cat, do your thing. Beautiful. Wait, there's a seal there.
Oh my god!
Take me closer. We're just about to kayak to our waterfall lunch spot. It's Catherine's about to kayak. What she's on about. I've been kayaking the whole time. Whoa.
What did you say?
Whoa, shots fired, bro. Alright, right, okay. Do you know what it looks like? Looks like Catherine's got a pool. Catherine's got a pool.
Mine being bigger than yours.
Whoa, whoa, shots fired.
Let's see your nose. It's nice, but it's got good circulation.
Just the waterfall. And here she comes, my ball and chain, with her coffee and her vagina.
Beautiful. Where did you pee? Where'd you pee?
In that book over there.
Can you protect me?
Well, Gary can see everything.
La 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 la. Pull the blue one, babe.
What?
Did you try pull the blue one?
You're not even pointing it at me. Alright, just stop now.
Waterfall.
I'm annoyed at your shit. Babe, come on.
Take it back. Take it back. I'll push you.
I'm sick of your shit.
This is exactly like Vietnam. Vietnam. Waterfall. Who are you waving
Can you help
to?
with the rudder? No, we're actually too far out.
Don't go chasing wood. I don't need to hold the GoPro. I don't need to hold the GoPro.
Should I hold it?
I'm holding it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Do 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 do. See, I'm paddling and GoProing together, and Ali's doing nothing. Sit up straight. Sit up straight, babe. I am. Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, well, babe, you gotta keep paddling. We're driving back.
Alright.
Wait, turn around a second. Wait, no.
Oh, we talk. Look, there's
Snow.
still snow. There's still snow.
Waterfall.
Oh my god, waterfall. But that's awesome.
Wow.
Scary. Come on. Come on. What's the best part of this trip, Catherine?
Like today or
In general.
everything?
Okay, thanks for the vague answer.
Drink it. Is it fresh?
Nah, it's quite nice.
Fresh. You've been talking about drinking from the stream for like
I know.
2 weeks.
I told you we should have done this ages ago.
No.
We can drink from any stream that goes through rocks. Like it's flowing and it goes through rocks. It's technically
How do
drinkable.
you know?
Because I'm nature boy.
Huh?
Because I'm nature boy.
I wish you could sing.
Because I'm nature boy.
Okay, look at how the key is drawn.
Massive eyes.
Ah.
Have you seen that sign? Do not feed the Kia.
Oh, even further off.
The Kia's eyes are like lit up.
It's like possessed. Sarah Mankia.